here at Midway Gardens in Opelika, Alabama. We're in a great location, just a short drive from all the shopping and dining that Tigertown has to offer, as well as downtown Opelika. This community has some great amenities, including a playground and also an on-site laundry facility. This community offers 2-bedroom, 3-bedroom, and 4-bedroom floor plans. Let's go take a look. Come on in. Today we're looking at a 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom unit. Right by the front door, there's a convenient coat closet. The spacious living room is perfect for entertaining. That leads right into the dining room and the kitchen. Off of the main living space, you'll find the 1st bedroom. And then down the hall, there's a linen closet, a full bathroom, and the primary bedroom, which has patio or balcony access and 2 closets. This community features an on-site laundry facility and a playground. Visit our website for more information.